The total client base of Angel One rose 77% compared to same time last year at 1.1 crores, while their daily order saw a 25% rise month on month. Prabhakar Tiwari, who's the Chief Growth Officer at Angel One, joins us now to discuss some more on the business update. I just want to ask you about the overall client additions, right? In the month of September, it was a tad bit lower. Of course, in general, it's been on an uptrend. Why do you think that is? Is it because there was a muted performance by the market, some amount of caution? And on an average, what would the run rate look like in terms of gross client acquisition over the next few quarters?
Yeah, hi. First of all, thanks for inviting me here today to talk about Angel One. So first of all, September had festive influence. And what we have seen over the years that during festive time, the shopping intent takes precedence over investment intent. So we believe October will also be impacted by that because of Diwali. However, our view is that in coming months, we will again see the same positive trend in gross client acquisition.
Mr. Tiwari, just yesterday we were discussing the options volumes picking up very significantly. Mangalam was giving us some data on it. And if I see your average daily turnover, your F&O segment is up 117% on a year-on-year basis. It's up 11% on a month-on-month basis as well. Just give us a sense in terms of the kind of traction you are seeing and how much is it probably going to be as a percentage of sales going forward? What are you doing from a company perspective to increase volumes?
See, as a percentage of the business, it's very difficult to predict at this juncture because there are too many moving parts there. However, as an organization, our job is to ensure that there's an easy-to-use platform which is reliable, secure, an effortless platform which is available. And then we educate our customers through our smart money platform, through our social media, and through our tie-ups with influencers on understanding of future and options. We also provide features like Insta Trade, which makes it possible both for amateurs and also for the experienced traders to take the full advantage of the platform. So these are the kind of efforts we take, both in terms of educating and providing superior product experience.
Right. Just a couple of points on your client acquisition rate. Activation rate rather. I was looking at it from FY20, it was around 31%, 21 it was 38%, 39% in FY22 as well. First quarter as well, it's meandering around the 38, 39% mark. For peers, it is upwards of 50%. What exactly explains your lower activation rate? And is there something that you're doing to, increase that?
I would not call it a very lower activation rate as such. See, fundamentally, if you look at, we are a technology platform and people have intent to invest in the market, so they open an account. But at times they do not find the right opportunities to invest, so they do not get activated immediately. But at the same time, they keep a watch list, they keep themselves educated about the market, and eventually they go ahead and invest. Today, if you ask us, this is where we see a big opportunity for us for a super app. Because in our super app, the investment intent is not just for the stock market, but we can give the same investment intent for, say, mutual fund. And we can also provide other financial services like loans and insurance. So at that point of time, when we will see activation rate in its entirety, we will see a more robust number.
Would have been across the board, right? The fact that people have a watch list and then invest when the time is right. Peers have much higher. So what explains yours to be lower than the peers? That's what I just wanted to understand.
See, all of us have different strategies, and we provide different experiences on our platform. So it's not appropriate for me to kind of, comment on theirs. What I can tell you is that, we do not want to any which ways do anything artificial to increase our activation rate, but rather focus more on our platform, better experiences, and that's where our super app comes in. And the pillars of our super app is about simplicity, about transparency, about availability, reliability, and swiftness. With these kind of, amazing features and the pillars on which the product philosophy is, I'm sure people will activate whenever they want. because we are a platform.
I'm sure that we do understand that Angel One has been front and forward as far as, the whole digitization is concerned, getting people on the app and growing your customer base. In fact, if you look at your client base as well, right, from June to September, your client base has gone up from 10.4 million all the way to about 11.6. Wanted to understand a little more about whether there is a further rise that you're expecting, and if yes, what could the growth be just in your client base?
See, I would say the trend will continue. We are focused that if market grows, we should grow in line or disproportionate to the market. And in case market remains stagnant or like there's a slow growth, we go for market share. If you look at last 3-4 months, that has been our strategy. And on a monthly incremental client acquisition, we have been gaining market share.
Okay, all right, Mr. Tiwari, we're going to leave it on that note and discuss the numbers once they come out for Q2FY23. Thanks very much for joining in and speaking with us. So that's Angel One. It's not only the F&O space which has seen a stupendous amount of growth, even the commodity segment, average daily turnover for the company is up 149% on a year-on-year basis, and it's up 42.5% on a sequential basis. So that's the other big segment which has seen a lot of traction. We'll take a break, but on the other side, trading strategies. Stay tuned.